Activity 11. Basic paper folding activity. Objective: to carry out paper folding activities to find A. the midpoint of a line segment, B. the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, C. the bisector of an angle, D. the perpendicular to a line from a given point outside it, E. the perpendicular to a line at a point given on the line, F. the median of a triangle. Materials required: white chart paper, colored glazed paper, a pair of scissors, geometry box, Fevicol, sketch pen. A. To find the midpoint of a line segment. Procedure: take a small colored sheet of glazed paper. Fold and press it to create a crease, as shown. Draw a line segment, AB, on this crease. Fold the line segment, AB, in such a way that point A coincides with point B, and press the fold to create a crease. Mark the point of intersection of the crease and line segment, AB, as M. This gives the midpoint, M, of line segment, AB. Observation: we can verify the result by actual measurement. We observe that AM is equal to MB. Result: this verifies that M is the midpoint of AB. B. To find the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Procedure: repeat the first 4 steps of activity A. Open the fold and draw a line segment, PQ, intersecting AB at M. Observation: by actual measurement, we observe that AM is equal to MB and angle AMP is equal to angle BMP is equal to 90 degrees each. Result: this verifies that PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. C. To find the bisector of an angle. Procedure: cut an angle from colored glazed paper and name it angle ABC. Fold the angle along vertex B such that the sides BC and BA coincide with each other. Press and fold to get a crease. Open the fold and draw a line segment, BP, on the crease. Observation: by actual measurement, we observe that angle ABP is equal to angle CBP. Result: this verifies that BP is an angle bisector of angle ABC. D. To find perpendicular to a line from a point given outside it. Procedure: take a small colored sheet of glazed paper and draw a line segment, AB. Take a point, P, outside the line segment, AB. Fold the paper by moving point B along BA till the fold passes through P and press it to get a crease. Unfold the paper and mark a point, Q, on AB where the crease intersects the line, AB. The crease, PQ, formed is perpendicular to AB from point P. Observation: by actual measurement, we observe that angle AQP is equal to angle BQP is equal to 90 degrees each. Result: this verifies that PQ is perpendicular to AB. E. To find the perpendicular to a line at a point given on the line. Procedure: take a small colored glazed paper and draw a line segment, AB. Take a point, P, on it. Fold the paper by moving point B along BA till the fold passes through P and press it to get a crease. Unfold the paper and mark a point, Q, on the crease. Join PQ. The crease, QP formed, is perpendicular to AB at the point P on it. Observation: by actual measurement, we observe that angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ is equal to 90 degrees each. Result. This verifies that QP is perpendicular to AB. F. To find the median of a triangle. Procedure. Take a glazed colored paper and cut out a triangle ABC. Find the midpoints of line segments AB, BC, and CA by the method given in activity A. Name the midpoints as D, E, and F of sides BC, CA, and AB respectively. Join AD, BE, and CF by paper folding. The creases so formed are the required medians. Observation. By actual measurement, we observe that AD, BE, and CF are medians of triangle ABC. Result. This verifies that AD, BE, and CF are medians of angle ABC.